Today's hearing in Nasimi District Court on the case of four opposition activists was held in emotional tense atmosphere. The reason was the speech of Awaz Agayev, a witness of prosecution who is a security guard at a car parking station. He claimed that the defendant Ulvi Guliyev made a physical pressure on the police. Moreover, Agayev called the defendants rude people, what caused the defendants and their relatives anger. The judge Shahin Abdullayev could not calm the audience and ordered them to leave the courtroom. However, the verbal sparring in the hall almost led to a fight. The audience was calmed and the trial continued. The prosecution asked to stop questioning its witnesses and the judge granted the request. Thus, 21 of the 33 witnesses of the prosecution have been questioned. The judge did not grant the request of lawyers but calling to court as witnesses the mayor of Baku, the Baku prosecutor, the interior minister, but agreed to hear witnesses from among the ordinary opposition. They will be heard on September 30. The accused are Ulvi Guliyev, non-affiliated, Elnur Majidli, member of the youth organization of Popular Front Party, Rufat Hajibali, and Ahad Mamadli, chairman of the youth organization of the Musavat Party. Ulvi Guliyev and Ahad Mamadli are accused under two articles of the Criminal Code: 233 violating social order and 315.1 resisting the police. Elnur Majidli and Rufat Hajibali are accused under the article 233.